Oh, hi. I know how to pronounce your name now.
It's okay. You do not have to pronounce my name like that anymore. I changed my name.
Wait, what? After all that mispronouncing and all that arguing about... Really? Okay, what is it?
Well, my name now is Vincent.
Wait. It's the same name as mine? Vincent?
Yes, but it is pronounced differently. Your name is, what do you say, Vincent. My name is Vincent. It's pronounced en français.
Why would you change your name to the same name as mine?
Because it is the most beautiful name in the whole universe. Vincent is such a nice name. Do you not agree with me?
Well, I can't disagree with that. Well, Vincent then.
No, Vincent.
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 Vincent. Vincent.
Vincent. It is not Vincent, it is Vincent.
Yeah, okay. I guess we're going to go with that. So you officially changed it, huh? Okay. Hey, something else. Do you want to see my latest drawing?
Yes, of course I would like to see it.
It was for a show, and so I drew the picture in advance, and I pretended to draw it right there and then. And it was my daughter, Melody.
I remember. It looks like her.
Yeah, nice job, dude. Wait, who are you?
Yes, who are you? I do not know you.
I am Vincent. Wait, your name is Vincent? No, it's not Vincent, it's Vincent. Oh, Vincent. Vincent.
What? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Wait, your name is the same as mine and as Vincent, but in a different language? It's a Dutch name. Can't you hear that? It's like Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh, you say. Oh, so you're from the Netherlands. Okay. Yes, I'm Dutch. Netherlands, man. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Partey. Netherlands. Are you a student or are you an art teacher? Yes, I'm an art student.
So you are a student. Okay, I teach you the ways of art.
My parents just sent me to art school and then I just started drawing, you know. But I actually wanted to play football. Soccer. That's what I wanted to play. My parents said, go to art school, better for you. Hey, what do you get if you mix a famous Dutch artist with an animal? Vincent van Gogh. Ha! Okay, that's enough. Hey, where do cows display their artwork? In museums. Huh? Okay, yeah, it's kind of funny. Why was the failed painter afraid of art? Because he could not face paint. Ha! Get it? Yeah, not anymore. What types of artists like to draw flies? The answer? Dead artists. Enough with the jokes, okay? Why did the artist visit the bathroom? Because he was constipated. Enough. Okay. You want to hear another joke? Another one? No? No? Okay. Hey, thanks for watching.